So next up, guys, a really nice dump truck here. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view. So this is a 2005 Kenworth T300, and kind of what makes this one pretty unique. It did have the motor completely rebuilt in 2018. Transmission was rebuilt in 2021. It had a new clutch at the same time. It does have the Cummins 315 horse, 8.3 liter diesel motor. Be an Eaton 10-speed transmission, aluminum rims, nice rubber, it's in good shape, 11R 22.5. Pintle hitch here on the rear of the machine, guys. Frame is very clean. You'll have those pictures with the listing as well. It's got a good box on it, electric tarp, 16-foot box. Nice clean interior, sharp, good looking truck. Comes from a good home. It's got right around 518,000 miles, 22,000 hours. I'm here with Pat. He's gonna fire it up. He'll give you a nice demo. Starts right up there. I love to spin around the box for reverse. I guess I'll start driving her here. And I have drove this just a little bit, guys, just in the lot, but she does, she shifts nice and brakes engaged. Pretty nice running truck. Smoking a little bit there, guys. I think it's probably just because it's so cold. I mean, we're probably right around 15 degrees right now. I didn't see it smoking at all the other days. Does have a nice aluminum toolbox there. It's got AC. Got to run her through some gears there as he spins her around. Air ride. It's an air driver seat. Spring suspension on the truck, guys. 54,000 GVW. Looking at 14.5 on the front and 20,000 pound rears there. Real lights work. Nice chrome stack. I'll go ahead, he'll run that box for you, I'm sure. Very clean frame. You'll have all those pictures with the listing. The guy took care of this truck. So there's the demo, guys, on the 2005 Kenworth T300 tandem dump truck. Real clean, nice running. Pre-emissions, but it's been completely gone through. Nice rig. Good luck, guys, with auction time and Old 20 Auctions.